Hello everyone. Last year when I was discussing UPSC Prelims 2023 paper for the polity, there was a comment that सर पॉलिटी के क्वेश्चंस डिफिकल्ट थे, लग ही नहीं रहा था कि लक्ष्मीकांत से आया है. And this was the emotion of every UPSC aspirants. They were feeling that the questions were now coming from outside the Laxmikanth. And that's true, right? But I am quite sure that by now everyone must have forgot that the questions are coming beyond your Laxmikanth also. And once again, all aspirants must be mugging up only Laxmikanth for the polity. That is a very bad strategy. As UPSC is changing, you will have to change, right? If you see the syllabus, then it covers, the prelim syllabus says the Indian polity and governance, it is constitution, political system, panchayati raj, public policy, rights, etc. Right? Most of the focus the UPSC aspirant has for the polity section is constitution part. Whereas the UPSC is going beyond this and asking from the public policy, rights issue and other things also. Right? So Laxmikanth cannot be your one-point solution for everything, which is used to be earlier. Right? If you look at the prelims trend, then you can find that some years there was 22 questions, some year it was 13 questions, some year 14 questions, some year last year there was 15 questions. So let's assume that on an average 15 questions is being asked from the prelims, from the polity. So you have the potential to get 30 marks from the polity section itself, right? And as you know that the cutoff is going, that is 80 to 90 marks only. So like more than 1/3 marks you can get from the polity section only, but only if you read with conceptual clarity. Only mugging up the facts is not enough, right? Therefore, what is required, not only the studying of the Laxmikanth, but also the studying of the basic concepts from the basic books like the NCERTs, as well as the Constitution of India, as well as the newspaper articles. Many times the questions directly comes from the newspaper articles in the polity section, right? Therefore, newspaper articles also has to be covered. And it is impossible for a student to cover each and everything for just one section, that is polity. Therefore, we have brought this EKLAVY Prelims 2024 series. In this, the most high frequency topics, these are the most high frequency topics in last 12 to 13 years. From this topic itself, the question has been repeatedly asked. But to solve these questions, now the UPSC demand the student to have more conceptual clarity, right? Plus some fact-based, some data-based questions are also being asked. So you will have to have an exhaustive preparation, right? Therefore, we have launched this EKLAVY Sure Shot Prelims 2024. In this, I will be taking the polity section. In the polity section, first you will be getting a 20+ hours of video recording, right? Students complain that they do not know from where to read, right? So first thing that will be provided is the video recording of that will be of 20+ hours. That will be specifically pinpoint target will be on the UPSC Prelims Civil Services exam, right? No clutter will be there here. Then there will be 9 sessions in the EKLAVY for the polity section. In each session, in the each hand-to-hand session, you will be solving 50 questions that will be discussed by me, and I will also be telling about you the tricks and the concepts lying over there in those questions. Then you will also be practicing the mock test on the Sundays for the polity, right? Along with this, you will also get the previous year questions that will be discussed by the already selected IFS officer, right? So all these things you will be getting, and along with that you will be getting crisp and concise material for the polity for its themes. That is called the Kalam golden pages, right? So that while revising the polity, you do not have to go to the cluttered things. Cut the clutter. You cannot go to the book again and again. So the notes will be provided to you that will be very crisp and concise manner, right? So see you soon in the class. Thank you. Thank you very much.